Hi, little chef. Welcome to a day in my life as a chef on a yacht. I had some leftover bean salsa that I made for cocktail hour the night before that I threw into some scrambled eggs and made into Tex-Mex breakfast burritos. Also had a ton of zucchini on board, so I shredded that up and made it into zucchini muffins. I love zucchini. Does anyone remember that from Disney Channel? All the guests were up, so I set up the breakfast buffet. I went down into the hole to grab 2 whole red snappers to get those thawing. I pulled out some short rib and pork belly. I'm going to put a bulgogi sauce on these and let them slow roast until dinner time. Tonight for dessert, I'm serving a strawberry trifle, so I went ahead and prepped those. We had conch in the freezer that needed to be used up, so I cut that up and made it into conch salad.